If for whatever reason you want to turn off professional mode on Facebook, here's how you can do so quickly. So what you want to do is tap on your profile anywhere on your screen. If you've made a post or on your home page, you can tap on your profile picture, which is at the top left corner of your screen here. It will bring you here. You can also tap on the three horizontal line here and then tap on your profile. This will still bring you here. While on this page, you want to tap on the three dot on your profile and you see the same place where you turned on professional mode. You find here, turn off professional mode. Tap on this and then tap on continue. And it's also important for you to know that any of your existing insights will no longer be available. You'll receive pending payments, but you won't earn money on your profile when the professional mode is turned off. You no longer have access to professional mode dashboard or any professional mode tools. Your who can follow me settings will be set to friends, so only friends can follow you, returning you back to the 5,000 limit. You lose any followers who are not your friends, but you can also regain them when you turn on professional mode. Not everyone will be able to tag you. Your profile details will change as well as other details. Tap on turn off and you lose all professional mode access. Tap on close and this will return you back to your normal Facebook profile. You can always come back here later on if you want to turn on professional mode and turn it back on. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to this channel.